Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since 2015. I've did many mistakes, I've struggled a lot, but I did it a successful business by the mid of 2017. In this channel, I usually share my honest experience with people who are trying to start or build, grow online business, or even already have their online business. So need some motivation, some inspiration, some good information. So I will see you after this short intro. Hello my friends, today I'm going to speak about the so popular and very well known book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book published by on the 30s of the last century, and still the number one for the people who are trying to be successful, to avoid making mistakes, to find their way, to plan their life and their work ahead, and everything that will needed for a successful life and work. Today, of course, I have already read this book two times. On 2000, the first time on 2015, the second time on 2018, and this is my third time to read the book because it's so important to remind yourself with a lot of techniques, strategies, steps, and there is a lot of tips and advices for you if you want to be successful. Today I came across an important thing in this book, which is how to plan yourself, and take inventory of yourself, organize your planning. So there is 28 question you should answer yourself. This is 28 question is like considered like a merchandise or a company usually do the annual inventory to check what they have, how do they made a profit, some lose, are there expired products, things like this. The inventory, and there is a lot of things can show when you finish, which is be done annually usually. So this yearly analysis for yourself, which will give you disclose a decrease in faults and an increase in virtues. It should be. So, and by the end, when you got the outcome of this inventory, you should find that there is some progress. You are going ahead even very slow, and when you start your new year, after you get the income of the inventory and you find there is some steps backwards, or there is increase or decrease for something, so then you want to plan ahead for your coming year, so that you plan to decrease some faults and increase some virtues, and to avoid making mistake and make your journey much more beneficial and successful. So, but the important thing is by the end of each year, you should have a progress, going ahead a little, even very slow. This 28 question you need to ask yourself and answer, and ask for someone to help you. This someone, friend, family member, any other connection or relationship with this man or guy, who help you, not to let you to divise yourself that giving wrong answers, because this is like you are checking your life, your progress, your success, things like this. and this is will give you a very good and honest impression and what you are going and where you are destined, and if you are going in a right way or wrong. So ask someone to help you when you ask yourself and give an answer. This self-analysis questionnaire for personal inventory. First, have I attained the goal which I established as my objective for this year? You should work with a definite yearly objective to be attained as a part of your major life objective. 2. Have I delivered services of the best possible quality of which I was capable? Or could I have improved any part of this service? Question number 3. Have I delivered service in the greatest possible quantity of which I was capable? 4. Have the spirit of my conduct been harmonious and cooperative at all times? 5. Have I permitted the habit of procrastination to decrease my efficiency? And if so, to what extent? 6. Have I improved my personality, and if so, in what ways? 7. Have I been persistent in following my plans through to completion? 8. Have I reached decision promptly and definitely on all occasions? Have I permitted, number 9, have I permitted any one of or more of the 6 basic fears to decrease my efficiency? 10. Have I been either over caution or under caution? 11. Has my relationship with my associate in work been pleasant or unpleasant? If it has been unpleasant, have the fault been partly or wholly mine? 12. Have I dissipated any of my energy through lack of concentration or efforts? 13. Have I been open-minded and tolerant in connection with all subjects? 14. In what way have I improved my ability to render service? 15. Have I been intemperate in any of my habits? 16. Have I expressed either openly and secretly any form of egotism? 17. Has my conduct towards my associate been such that it has induced them to respect me? 18. Have my opinions and decisions been based upon guesswork or accuracy or analysis and thought? 19. Have I followed the habit of budgeting my time, my expense, and my income? And have I been conservative in these budgets? 20. How much time have I devoted to unprofitable efforts which I might have used to better advantage? 21. How may I rebudget my time and change my habits so I will be more efficient during the coming year? 22. Have I been guilty or any conduct which was not approved by my conscience? 23. In what ways have I rendered more service and better service than I was paid to render? 24. Have I been unfair to anyone, and if so, in what way? 25. If I had been the purchaser of my own service for the year, would I be satisfied with my purchase? 26. Am I in the right vocation, and if not, why not? 27. Has the purchaser of my service been satisfied with the service I have rendered? And if not, why not? 28. What in my present rating of fundamental principle of success? Make this rating fairly and frankly and have it checked by someone who is courageous enough to do it accurately. My friend, this is the 28th question you need to ask yourself and then answer. And this is the annual inventory for the personal services you are offering to the markets, and what's your role in the life, and this will give you like a clear idea where are you going. Have you made progress? Have you made some backwards? And you should by the end of each annual inventory find that there is some going ahead, even very slow. I will put this 28th question for you in the description so that you can read. Maybe you can find your way to ask yourself and find answers because we are approaching the end of the year, and it is okay for each one, everybody maybe to figure out, to find out some mistakes and find out some good things that work with him or her, and then to focus on that, ignore some other things that is not fruitful for him or her, and that's it. This is me, like I thought that it's good to share with you this question, and so that because maybe honestly maybe someone didn't have the opportunity to read the book, so I give some good information from that, and share with you this this information so that you will get a bit of flavor or some values, and I hope I will see you very soon. Bye.